everyone, welcome to our video presentation for the lie detection machine. The pneumograph, cardiosphygmograph, and the galvanograph are the main components of polygraph or lie detection machine. These instruments are used to measure physiological changes in the body while a person answers questions. First, the pneumograph. The pneumograph is used to measure a person's breathing pattern. How to use? Attach the rubber tubes or belts around the subject's chest and abdomen. Make sure the belts are not too tight or too loose. Connect the device to the polygraph machine. While the subject answers question, the pneumograph records the breathing rate, depth of breathing, the changes in breathing patterns. Second, cardiosphygmograph. The cardiosphygmograph measures blood pressure and heart rate. How to use? Place a blood pressure cuff around the subject's arm, similar to a regular BP apparatus. Tighten it properly to detect pulse and blood pressure. Connect it to the polygraph machine. During the examination, it records pulse rate, blood pressure, and the changes in heartbeat. Third is the galvanograph. The galvanograph, also called the galvanic skin response or GSR sensor, measures sweating and electrical activity of the skin. How to use? Attach the electrodes to the subject's fingers or palm. Make sure the skin is clean and dry before attaching the sensor. Connect the device to the polygraph machines and it records changes in skin conductivity. During questioning, when a person becomes nervous or deceptive, the breathing pattern may become faster, temporarily stop, and become irregular. During questioning, when a person is tense or lying, the blood pressure may increase and the heart rate may become faster. When a person experiences stress or nervousness, he or she having sweating increases and skin conductivity becomes higher, as we can see in this chart. These three instruments work together during a polygraph examination to detect physiological reaction while a person answers questions. And this instrument measure common reaction during nervousness. First is the pneumograph, their breathing fast or irregular breathing. Second is the cardiosphygmograph, their pulse and blood pressure increase, heartbeat and BP. Lastly is the galvanograph, their sweating skin response is higher skin conductivity.